Hey, in Elementor, we can easily set global colors and font sizes and font families and some other dynamic stuff. Like uh, this is the landing page or a pricing page. So if you can go where you see, here's the colors and also uh, font family and pricing. Let's check the typography, Montserrat. Okay, so here's the typographies are manually placed. So when you can build a complete website, like you will use a brand color or brand typography. So there should be two or three font families, like heading should be on font family and small paragraphs and CTS should be different font family. So if the client want to change the full website branding with colors and typographies, then it will be hard for change on by on manually. So that's why we use global colors. So let's go to the check the settings. Let's go to first the site settings. You see here, and you see here's global colors and global fonts. So right now I have some global colors. If I can add a new global color like new and set it this color and also another color like this, and let's save it and go back to the font family, global fonts. And if I this is the primary font I already selected, class text. So I can add a new font family name, should be like just new font and set it Poppins. Okay, I just set the font family name, not font size and width. If you want, you can also able to add the font size and everything and save change. Here's the more various options like typography. If you want, you can add the body typographies on an H2, H3 specific heading tags. You can able to set the sizes and font families, colors, everything. And also the default button style you can able to add also from here. So when you can drag any button, then this default design will apply. So I can take it blank as it is. This is also from field and layouts options here also, like if you want you can set the default container layout on it, sorry, 1200 or 150. That's it. So just you can test these two for easy to understand. Then you can able to use other stuff. But most of the common option, these two option, colors and typographies. So I set pop-ins. So let's try to edit this page. I can cancel the site settings tab. And right now just click on the heading and go to style, and you see this is currently robot, so and 700 pixels. So if I can select new font, you see the font family applied, but not the sizes are not applied because we changed the, we didn't up the size. Okay, let's add this dynamic font, some of others here also, like the button. Let's change the color of this button like this new color, and the border should be also new. Okay, like now client want to change their font family and branding color. So we don't need to change here manually. Just go to the side settings again, and in global color, just you can change the color to bit green and save. And again go to the font. Let's update the new font to Oswald. Just update to the different font family and go back, and let's check the output. See, the button colors green and the font family here is updated, but here's not. Let's update it. Oh, we manually change the font sizes, so it's not updated. So the best way we can review our branding guideline, so we can set the headings, font size and font family at a time. But you see, this change it because we didn't customize it after set the dynamic font family. So this is just a quick overview. So if you can follow this method, you can optimize your work and save your time. Thank you for watching this video.